Have you made pickle out of plain lemon skin? Normally, you would be throwing away the skins after squeezing out the juice from the lemons. But you can make spicy pickle out of it and it turns just perfect. I have taken lemon skins of around 20 lemons. Each lemon peel I cut into 4 parts and removed all the seeds. Then I mixed the lemon pieces with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a quarter cup of salt and let it sit for 15 days. Now these lemon pieces are ready for pickling. Here I have taken 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Lemons are natural preservatives and I have taken half teaspoon fenugreek seed, half cup lemon juice, 2 tablespoons salt, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. Now let's roast the spices and coarsely grind them. Next we will mix all the spices and mix it well. To a hot pan, add mustard oil. As oil smokes up, turn off the heat and let it cool. While the oil is still warm, add the remaining chili powder and asafoetida. By adding chili powder to the oil, it gives nice red color and flavor to the oil. Next, we will add the oil to the pickle and mix well. Next, we will transfer the pickle to a glass jar. Let it sit in an airtight glass jar for at least a month. I have made this a big jar of pickle of lemon peels a month back and now it's ready. Always keep oil floating on the pickle. It prevents air from reaching the pickle and it also extends the shelf life of the pickle. It goes very well with dal rice or you can just enjoy it with curd rice. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.